Today we are learning about ABCs or alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Do you know this animal? I'm sure you know it. That's elephant. Elephant. Elephant starts with E. Do you see E somewhere? Is that E? No, that's not. Is that E? No, that's O. Is that E? No, I'm J. Is that E? Yes, that's E. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant starts with E. Do you know this animal? I know it. Do you know it? This is raccoon. Raccoon. Raccoon starts with R. Do you see R somewhere? Is that R? No. Is that R? That's L. Is that R? No. That's N. Is that R? I'm T. Is that R? I'm X. Is that R? No. That's S. Is that R? No, that's I. So where is R? Yes, that's R. Raccoon starts with R. Next one, tiger. Tiger. Tiger starts with T. T. Do you see T? No, that's O. That's Z. That's not T. And that's U. That's L. So where is T? Do you see T? Show me. Yes, that's T. T for tiger. Tiger. Next one. Do you know this animal? That's a hippo. Hippo starts with H. Do you see H somewhere? No, that's not H. That's Q. Is that H? No, that's J. So B, that's not H. So what is H? No, that's P. P, that's not H. So what is H? Do you see H? Is that H? Yes, that's H. Hippo. Next one. Do you know this one? Yep, that's panda. Panda starts with P. No, that's W. That's X. So where is P? That's O, my friend. No. That's L. And that's F. So, no, that's A. So where is it? Where is P? Show me. Yes, that's P. P for panda. Panda starts with P. This is a lizard. Lizard starts with what? Starts with L. Good job. So what is L? Oh, that's V. That's O. That's not L. And that's C. That's not L. And that's F. Not L. So where is L? Is that L? No, that's M. Is that L? Yes, that's L. L for lizard. Next one. Do you know this one? This is a frog. 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 Frog starts with what? F. F. Do you see F? That's U, not F. And that's X, not F. That's S. And that's N. So where is F? That's J. What is it? Do you see F? No, that's G. So what is F? Yes, that's F. Frog starts with F. F for frog. Do you know this one? That's goose. Goose. Goose starts with G. Where is G? No, that's O. That's J, not G. Oh, that's W. Oh my goodness. That's Q. I don't see G. What is it? Oh, that's I. And that's D. And A. Where is G? Is that G? Yes, that's G. G. Yes. Next one. This is cat. Cat starts with what? C. Do you see C somewhere? Ah, no, that's not C. That's O, and that's J. W. I. So, is that? No, that's B. Where is C? A, B, C. Yes, C comes after B. Okay, C for cat. What is this one? That's a monkey. Monkey. Monkey starts with what? M. Do you see M? M. No, that's Z and Y. O. That's I. That's not. M. Is that M? Yes, that's M. M for monkey. Monkey starts with M. Next one. What's that bird? It's a red bird. That's called red J. Red J. What is J? What is... No, that's O. It's not J. Is that J? Yes, that's J. Thank you. Great job. We're doing great here. Next one. Do you know this one? That's a snake. Snake or serpent. Both starts with S. No, that's O. What is S? That's X. X. What is it? Do you see S? Is that S? Yes, that's S. S for snake. S for snake. Next, do you know this one? That's bat. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Where does bat go? Bat starts with... No, it doesn't start with V. It starts with B. Is that B? No, that's D. Where is B? Is that B? Yes. A, B. B is number 2. That one is a wolf. Wolf. Wolf starts with W. W. So what is W? Do you see W? I can't see W. Is that W? No. That's O. So what is W? No, that's X. That's Y. About that one, that's W. 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 W for wolf. Thank you. What's this one here? Deer. Deer starts with what? D. Perfect. D. What is D? Do you see D? Help me please. Is that D? No. That's N. That's I. D. That's D. D. D for deer. D for deer. Thank you. Let's move on. What about this one? It is zebra. Zebra starts with Z. Zebra. Where is zebra? Where does it go? No, that's O. We're looking for Z. And no, that's V. And that's U. A. Where is Z? So... KLMNOPQRSTUVWX, Y, and Z. Z is the last alphabet. Z for zebra. You know this one? That's alligator. Alligator starts with A. What is A? Help me. U, V, U, K. Then A. A for alligator. That's A. A is number 1 alphabet. A for alligator. Okay, what is this? That's ice cream. Ice cream starts with I. Where is I? Is that I? Yes, that's I. I for ice cream. I think it's a nose. Nose starts with N. Do you see N? Is that N? No. No. That's not. Is that N? Yes, that's N. N for nose. Next one. What do you think? U for unicorn. Where is U? That's X. V. Not U. Q. U, yes. U for unicorn. Next. K. K for koala. Koala starts with K. Where is K? Is that K? No. No. X. V. Q. Is that K? Yes, that's K. K for koala. Koala starts with K. Next. What is it? It's an owl. Owl starts with V, no. Q, no. X, O. Owl starts with O. Good job. Owl, O-W-L. Next. What is that one? That's Q. Q for queen. Where is Q? No, that's X. So where is Q? V. I'm looking for Q. Is that Q? Yes, that's Q. Q for queen. Next. What is it? It's X. X for xylophone. No, that's V. What is X? Is that X? Yes, that's X. X for xylophone. Next and last is V. V for violin. V for violin. V, yes, that's V. Thank you. Okay. I think now we learned alphabet with animals. Next time we learn more animals with alphabet. Thank you. Bye.